Hey everyone, to get us started today, I will start with a question. Have you ever watched Jurassic Park and thought, man, it would be cool if we actually bring a woolly mammoth back to life? Well, it's not just a movie anymore. Scientists are working on something called de-extinction. Today, I want to talk about how they're doing it, what hybrid animals are, and most importantly, if we actually should be doing this in the first place. So, how do you actually unextinct something? Believe it or not, and there are three main ways scientists are trying to pull this up. First, there's cloning. This is basically making a genetic twin of an animal that's already gone. Back in 2003, scientists actually brought back a wild goat called the Pyrenean Nipes. It only lived for a few minutes, but it proved the idea is possible. Next, we have genome editing, or what scientists call CRISPR. Think of this like cut and paste for DNA. For example, they're taking an Asian elephant's DNA and pasting in mammal genes, like thick fur and extra fat, so the elephant can survive in the freezing cold. And finally, there's bike breeding. This is a slower, more natural approach where scientists find living animals that still carry old genes from their ancestors and breed them together to bring those ancient traits back to the surface. Now, let's switch gears and talk about hybrids. A hybrid is basically what happens when two different species have a baby. In the wild, we are seeing this more often because of climate change. As the world gets warmer, animals like polar bears and grizzlies are moving into each other's territory. The result: the Grolar Bear is a real animal with white fur and brown patches. But then you have hybrids made by humans, like the Liger, a mix between a lion and a tiger. Why they look amazing? Because they're huge. They often have health problems. This makes us stop and think, are we doing this because it has science or just because we think it looks cool? Now, this is where things get a bit complicated. Just because we can do something doesn't always mean we should. Think about it. If we bring back a mammoth, where's it going to live? The planet is much hotter now than it was 10,000 years ago. Plus, mammoths are very social animals. It's fair to bring back just one. He'd be pretty lonely, right? Many experts also argue that we should spend our money and time saving the animals that are still here, like the rhino, instead of trying to fit the past with species that are already gone. To end up, de-extinction and hybrids are honestly mind-blowing. They show how far our technology has come, but at the end of the day, we need to make sure we're protecting our planet and being responsible with these superpowers. Thanks so much for listening.